Hello, in front of me I've got Avatar Frontiers of Pandora. In this video I'll show you how to make game the prettiest. In the beginning, from my menu, let's go to game settings. And first let's go to video. Here, select full screen and select maximum resolution. Select maximum refresh rate available. And next, disable upscaling of the FSR or DLSS. Enable frame generation to get some additional frames. Select scaling quality to ultra quality. Scaling mode biased. VSync enable to remove screen shattering. And next let's go to graphic. Of course, in graphics select ultra. Just give me a second because my PC has a problem with 4K display. So let me change it to custom. And here select Ultra Graphics, enable motion blur. This keep as it is. Enable fog blur, adjust sharpening to 7, 8 or 9, enable deep depth of field, and everything else set to high or ultra. This should make the game the prettiest as possible. In the end, make sure to perform benchmark. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.